Hey there, folks. If you're a fan of using Venmo for quick and easy payments but you've got a Discover card burning a hole in your wallet, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through how to link and use your Discover card on Venmo step by step. This is perfect for splitting bills, sending money to friends, or even making purchases without fumbling with cash. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to make sure your Discover card is eligible. Venmo generally accepts major credit cards like Discover, but always check for any updates on their app or website. Start by opening the Venmo app on your phone and logging into your account. If you're new, download it from your app store and sign up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, head to the menu icon, usually in the top corner, and tap on Settings. From there, select Payment Methods. This is where the magic happens. Hit Add a bank or card, and choose Credit or Debit Card. Enter your Discover card details carefully, the card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Venmo might ask you to verify the card through a small test transaction, so keep an eye on your Discover account for that. After it's added, you're good to go. To use it, just select your Discover card as the payment source when you're sending money or paying someone. Remember, using a credit card on Venmo could incur fees, typically around 3% per transaction, so factor that into your plans. Also, be aware that Discover might treat these as cash advances, which could mean higher interest rates, so use it wisely. In summary, linking your Discover card to Venmo is a breeze and opens up more flexible payment options. If you run into any issues, Venmo's support team is helpful, or check Discover's website for tips. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving hacks. See you next time.